I'll see you guys in this thing that's super fast.
Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. I am driving my dad's truck right now.
Right.
And I am driving around the neighborhood, not on the road, and I'm trying to do the speed limit.
I think he's a little nervous, guys.
I am a little nervous.
We've got a sharp turn coming up here. Let's see how he does. Good job. So what do you think?
I actually think it handles very well. And guys, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm learning on how to drive this thing for my mowing business. Because I'm going to be mowing yards this summer with this truck.
Trying to.
And I'll have to get a trailer for
But we
that.
got to hurry and get her back to home base because we got to do a little maintenance on her.
Yep. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Drive safely.
And drive safely, y'all.